Hey, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a culinary journey to explore one of Korea's most beloved dishes, japchae. Beyond its mesmerizing blend of sweet and savory flavors, japchae hides some fascinating secrets and cultural significance. So, let's dive in and unravel the wonders of this iconic Korean noodle delight. Japchae is a delightful Korean noodle dish made with sweet potato glass noodles, which are stir-fried with an array of colorful vegetables, usually including carrots, spinach, mushrooms, and onions. The magic of japchae lies in its captivating combination of flavors and its ability to leave you craving for more. Unlike traditional noodles, japchae features sweet potato glass noodles, which give the dish its unique chewy texture and slightly sweet taste. These translucent noodles soak up the flavors of the seasoning, enhancing the overall taste experience. Japchae is more than just a scrumptious dish, it holds cultural significance as well. It is often served during special occasions and celebrations, symbolizing longevity and prosperity. The long and uncut noodles are believed to bring good fortune and a long life, making it a cherished part of Korean festive feasts. Japchae has an intriguing history. It is said to have been inspired by a royal dish called gungjung japchae, which dates back to the Joseon era. The original version was a luxurious stir-fry with various meats and vegetables, enjoyed exclusively by the Korean aristocracy. Japchae's versatility has allowed it to evolve over time. While the classic version remains a favorite, there are variations that incorporate different ingredients like beef, chicken, or seafood, catering to diverse tastes and preferences. Over the years, japchae's delectable taste and cultural charm have captivated food enthusiasts worldwide. It has become a popular menu item in Korean restaurants globally, showcasing the global appeal and appreciation for Korean cuisine. And there you have it, the enchanting tale of Korean japchae and its hidden wonders. From the symbolism of longevity to its rich history and global love, japchae is a dish that brings joy and delight to all who savor its flavors. If you found this journey into the world of japchae intriguing, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your fellow food enthusiasts. And, of course, if you want to explore more exciting content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy eating and stay curious.